Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. In this video, I'll be making a Motel keychain using gradient adhesive craft vinyl. This vinyl is available in 12 by 5 feet and 10 by 82 feet. This is just beautiful. So as I mentioned, I'll be making a Motel keychain. I'll be using the width of 1.3 and the height of 2.5. This is the same measurement I usually use to make these. In Design Space, click on Upload, find the design, or click on View All. Scroll down, or you can put in the search bar what you're looking for. Click on it, and Add to Canvas. Click on View, and adjust the size. You can go up here, or you can shrink it this way. I love the way these colors look, but since I'll be using gradient adhesive vinyl, I'll just click on Attach, and this will tell Design Space I don't need different mats to cut different color vinyls. I'll just be cutting one vinyl in one mat. So click on Make. Select to work on a mat, 12 by 12, and then click on Confirm. You don't need to mirror this, so click on Continue. Set base material. I'll be selecting permanent vinyl. Now proceed to cut your vinyl. Here's the vinyl I'll be using. I'll be removing this slat bracelet. This is available on their website. As you can see, this is a beautiful blend of colors with a smooth overlay of shimmer glitter specks. Me personally, I love the purples and the pinks. So I have my vinyl all set and cut. Let's put this away. This is the piece I chose. Look at this. How beautiful is it? I'll be using a mat to cut the vinyl. Now here I'm debating whether I want the pink or the purple to show the most. Place the vinyl on the mat and push it down. Make sure it's sticking on the mat. And let's take this over to cut. All right. Let's turn the mat over so we can pull out our vinyl without having to have it roll up. I'll be using a scissor just to cut the extra. We don't want to waste any vinyl, so I can use this for a future project. I have a bin of scraps, so this will go in there. It's all about saving, and this is good for another project, as I mentioned. Now for the weeding, I'll be using this TeckWrap pin pen. This is the perfect tool for those intricate pieces in projects like this. To start weeding, just poke on a corner and start pulling your vinyl like this. I gotta say, this vinyl is so easy to weed. I had no issues whatsoever. Since the keychain is transparent, I'm just measuring to make sure it fits in there perfect, and it does. Now to weed the letters. Since these are much smaller, it's a little bit harder, but with this weeding tool, it makes it much easier. As you can see, the letters are very small, but I'm able to weed them. This vinyl is so easy to weed. I'm almost done. And I'm all done. This is how it turned out. Now it's time to place it on the Motel keychain. I'll be bringing in a rag just to place the Motel keychain on top. I'll be using some rubbing alcohol, spraying it, and then just cleaning it off. This will help the vinyl stick on the surface since it's clean. It'll make the vinyl last longer. Now to transfer the vinyl, I'll be using this transfer tape from TeckWrap, and it's a high-tech transfer tape, perfect for this vinyl. It is recommended for shimmers, glitters, textured metallic, and rainbows. TeckWrap carries 4 different kinds of transfer tapes, and they are medium tack, high tack, low tack, 6-inch width transfer for any of your needs. I just cut a small piece of transfer tape and now I'm just peeling it off the backing. This is very sticky. Place it over the vinyl. Once it's on there, use a squeegee so that you can burnish it and it can stick to the transfer tape. And now we're going to transfer it to the keychain. Let's peel it back and make sure the vinyl sticking to the transfer tape. Be very careful. Make sure not to touch the vinyl. I'll be using a small piece of parchment paper to help me transfer the vinyl onto the keychain. This will help me maneuver it around to make sure I get it in the center. Once I stick the transfer tape on the keychain, since this keychain is transparent, I will turn it around and look from behind and see if it's centered. Once I'm sure it's centered and I like the way it looks, lift the transfer tape and pull out the parchment paper. And then just press the transfer tape onto the keychain to make sure your vinyl sticks on the keychain. And you can varnish it very well to get it on there and start to remove, very careful, the transfer tape. Since this transfer tape is so sticky, you can reuse it for another project. And this is the way it turned out. Look at this. It is very cute. I have 2 examples of how cutting it on different angles would look. So this is how it turned out. I really like the way it looks. I'll add a pom-pom to make it look cutesy. And this is the way it turned out. This is so cute. I really enjoy working with this vinyl. If you watch to the end and you like the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.